G'day mates, Heg here. I am here bringing you some sad news. Caroll Spinney, the man who's been playing Big Bird for over 50 years, and also Oscar the Grouch and many other beloved Sesame Street characters, has passed away at the age of 85. Caroll, you're a legend in the community of Sesame Street and puppeteers. To all the puppeteers watching, R.I.P. Caroll Spinney. You are a legend who has been you have been bringing joy to many children for over the past 50 years, Caroll. And we thank you for doing this. We're all gonna miss you, Caroll. He's lived a good life. R.I.P. to Caroll Spinney, the man who brought us Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch. Without him, there would have been no Big Bird or Oscar the Grouch. He brought us joy and laughter. Goodbye. Goodbye, Caroll. Goodbye, Big Bird. Goodbye, Oscar.